Hey guys, in this video, I'll be sharing 3 best ways to improve your Wi-Fi connection on PC and laptop in 2023. So if you want to boost your Wi-Fi speed and fix any kind of related problem, then the very first thing that I would recommend is that you should disable some kind of limitations set by Windows on your PC and laptop. So it's very simple. Just click on the search box of your Windows to type CMD and command prompt will be coming up. Then right click on choose run as administrator. So the black window will be coming up, and here you have to paste the command that you will be getting in the description box. So just copy it and then paste and then hit enter. So once it's done, you can now close it. Next, click on the search box again, type ncpa.cpl, hit enter. So here you have to look for the Wi-Fi adapter. Just make a right click on it and choose properties. Then you have to double click on Internet Protocol version 4. Now here you will find an option. Okay, so you use the following DNS server addresses. So we have here preferred DNS server and alternate DNS server. You have to check this option. Okay, so we will be using the Google DNS address or the Cloudflare DNS address. So I will be going with the Cloudflare, as you can see here. You can also go with Google IP address, which will be in the description box. Okay, so you have to type just like this, 1.1.1.1, and in alternate, you have to type 1.0.0.1, and then you need to click on OK. And then click OK again. Now make a right click again on Wi-Fi. Click on Properties. Here you have to click on Configure on the right top, and a new Properties box will be up here. You have to click on Advanced. Now you have to make some changes that are very important. So first we have to choose channel with bandwidth for 2.4 gigahertz. Just set it to auto as well as 5 gigahertz. So it's already in auto. And when you have in your window pad channel intolerant, make sure that such option has been disabled. So as for mine, I don't have that. So I just move on to preferred band and choose prefer 5 gigahertz band. Also click on roaming aggressiveness, and from the drop down you will be getting some option from lowest to highest. Okay, so the lowest roaming aggressiveness, the higher internet connection you will be getting. But this depends on how close your device is to your router. So if you're getting the strong signal, I would recommend you that you should go with the lowest option, and then you have to click it, click OK, and then that should do it. Okay, I would also recommend to try restarting your computer, and after that you will find a great change and an improved Wi-Fi speed on your Windows 10 or 11. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel so that you can get more related videos. Thank you for watching.